Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a real quick look at a brand new 2023 Sunseeker 2860 Class C Motorhome. I'm going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside. It's not going to be as detailed as I normally do. We'll do an update on this a little later. I've done this on the 2022 version. Not a huge amount of differences, but I just want to kind of show you around the 2023 so you can see it. This is on the Ford F450 chassis, 7.3 liter gas motor. Basically kind of a van or truck front end, work truck front end, I guess you'd say. Little bunk area up here, swing around TV, has a radio built into the TV as well. Dinette makes a bed. This sofa makes a bed. They also offer a power theater seat option. The stove and sofa and stuff slide in. The bed will slide in as well. You'll see that when we get back there. 12-volt fridge. Single AC standard. Dual AC an option. There is a little bit of storage underneath the bed. Not a lot, but a little bit there. Queen size bed. And again, this bed does slide in. It comes in right up against the wall here. Basically hanging closet on each side. 3 drawers in the middle. There's also a little storage behind the TV. That is a swing out TV. Here on the left is your bathroom. The bathroom door actually kind of acts as the wall, blocking off the living room area. Foot flush toilet, little sink area, storage, medicine cabinet area, little fan. You have AC in there as well. Spinning back around, looking this direction, you have your shower. It's basically a little step-in shower. And there is a little pull across accordion door to block off the bedroom as well. Little countertop extension on the side of the kitchen there. But overall, nice little unit here. We're going to step outside. I want to show you around the outside real quick as well. Power awning, LED light strip built in. You have your propane on board. The propane tank's built into that front compartment. Then you have some storage compartments along the back sides. Outdoor speakers. There's a camera on each side. Camera on the back. Has a hitch on the back as well. Rated to tow up to 7,500 pounds. Fiberglass roof. Slide topper standard on it. Your little dump area and city water, freshwater inlets. Gas fills up back here. 6-gallon gas electric water heater. Freshwater tank fills up back there. But overall, pretty cool. Little motorhome. Get you traveling around here. Again, we'll do a more detailed video on it when we get some more time. But just wanted to give you a quick look at the standard classic version. There's also automotive paint versions. You can get automotive paint on these as well. All right, thanks for taking the time to check out my video. We'll do again more updated one later on.